Hey friends, welcome to another Savvy product review. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing magnetic eyelashes by Tori Belle that adhere with a special magnetic mascara. I am not an affiliate, this is not sponsored, and as always, I'll be giving you my honest product review. I did do a lot of research for this video so I can make sure I did not screw up too badly as I'm applying these. So I'll be sharing the tips I learned in a tutorial with you today as well. If you're new here, I'm Savvy Sophia. This is a lifestyle channel where I share my savvy tips, product reviews, and positive inspiration with you. If that's your thing, join my community and hit that subscribe button. Quick little background on this video. This all started a few months ago when my girlfriends and I were out for dinner and we couldn't help but notice my friend Amy's eyelashes were out and about. They looked amazing. We all kind of assumed they were eyelash extensions, and when we asked her about them, she said they were magnetic eyelashes, which I had never heard of. So we, of course, started grilling her with questions, and after talking to her, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try these out for myself and share my review with you guys. If you like what you see in today's video, you can help out my friend Amy, and you can purchase those lashes in the link in the description box below to her online store. Okay, let's get started. So my friend Amy delivered my lashes in this adorable sequin bag. And the first thing we have here are our lashes. This is in the style Epic. Now, make sure you're getting the right kind of lashes. What I learned is they have lashes that are meant to be applied with their magnetic eyeliner, whereas these ones, the Magnetic Illusion magnetic eyelashes, are specific to adhere to the magnetic mascara. They come in this cute little box to protect them, and you'll see that the eyelashes adhere to the stand. So keeping them in the box, from my research, will get more wears out of it. On average, they say you can get up to 20 wears out of these lashes, which I was super impressed by. You're also going to want to cut down the lashes to fit the width of your eyes. I did this already. One hack for you: when you are cutting these, I would recommend using those little scissors that you get to cut nails that have that really small fine blade. And also make sure you are cutting up until the edge of the closest magnet that you're gonna cut off. First time around, I practiced yesterday, I totally made a mistake and I left some extra lashes on the side of a magnet and it just doesn't lay flat, so definitely make sure you do that. Next we have our Magnitude Magnetic Mascara. This is in the color black, and I'll pull it out of the box for you guys to show you what it looks like. Here we go. So it has two sides to it, and I'll explain what these are for. So one side looks like a mascara wand, and this is how you're going to deposit it onto your lashes. The other side is a liquid liner brush. But don't be fooled, it is not intended to be used as a liquid liner. Technically you can, but this formula is very liquidy. It's not really intended to be used as your eyeliner or your mascara as part of your makeup look, but really a formula to adhere these lashes. So I would not recommend pulling the mascara the whole way through your eyelashes or using this liner. Okay, let's start our tutorial. So again, first step, you want to cut down these lashes to size to fit the width of your eye. Next, you're going to want to make sure you have your full face of makeup done first. This is going to be your last step. You will want to put on your own eyeliner and possibly your own mascara first. I tried both yesterday, and I personally found that my experience without doing any mascara first helped adhere better and it was less clumpy. If you have blonde or light color eyelashes, obviously you're gonna have to use some of your own mascara just to match the color of the lash. By the way, they do have different lash styles. These ones, the Epic, are pretty dramatic. So I think they have one called 9 to 5 that's a little more everyday. And then they've got some that are like really wild. Like they just came out with some bling ones. Not my cup of tea, but hey, you bling girl, you bling if that's your thing. You may wanna do some meditation or deep breathing before we begin this. Okay, I'm just kidding, but just prepare. This is a new experience. It's gonna take some trial and error. I would definitely have some makeup remover as well as some Q-tips nearby, because again, this formula is quite liquidy, so you probably are going to get some that falls out onto your eyelids or down below, especially if you are making faces like I probably will in this video. All right, we are gonna get up close and personal so I can start the process. Okay, quick tip for you. You're going to want to swirl your mascara wand in the little pot here, especially if it's the first time you're using the product, to make sure everything's thoroughly mixed, nothing has settled to the bottom. What I'm gonna do is going to add this mascara only on the lash line area. I'm not gonna pull it all the way through. I'm gonna do that on the top and bottom, and then I'm going to use the corner to get the inner and outer corner of my lashes, those baby lashes. From my experience, that is almost the most important thing, because that's really where the lashes are gonna anchor down and not fly away. Last, I'm gonna go in with the liner side and do a quick line across the top of my lash line. So not where I would normally put eyeliner, but actually where my lashes begin. And then I'll definitely go back on the inner and outer corners.
Perfect.
Now I'm going to do the other side. Hey, I didn't make any mistakes on the other side. See, it keeps backwards. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the liner side, and we're gonna do the top of the lashes and get a little extra on the corners. And then we're gonna let it dry for 2 minutes. While we wait, quick story for you. My most memorable time wearing false eyelashes was on my first date with my husband. I had decided to meet up with him after I had already had an all-day birthday party. I don't know what I was thinking. And I had worn false eyelashes, the glue-on kind, of course, all day long for my party in the heat. And I decided to keep them on for my date, but I was so nervous that by the end of the day, the glue was gonna kind of come undone and my eyelash would fly off in the wind into my cocktail, or would be kind of hanging off my face while I'm talking to him. I did ask him yesterday if he noticed that I was wearing fake eyelashes, and guess what? He didn't even notice. So your secret is safe. It's been about 2 minutes, so we're gonna test to see if our lashes are fully dry. This is so important. I'm just gonna use my finger and touch the top and the bottom, and as you can see, we are not fully dry yet, so we'll wait a little bit longer. Oh honey, let's speed up this process. Woo! I do declare. Okay, we are completely dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do my second coat in the bathroom mirror, just because, to be honest with you, it's really hard with just my iPhone camera to make sure that I've covered every square inch of my lash line to make this successful for you. So just go ahead and repeat what I did in my first round of application. While we wait another 2 minutes for the mascara to fully dry, I'm gonna go ahead in and do my makeup cleanup. By the way, what do you guys think of my jewelry today? These came in my second Rocks box. I will put a link up above to my Rocks box jewelry subscription review and unboxing. I'll also include a link down below to try your first month of Rocks box free. Here is the third piece I got in this box. It's pretty cool. I I think the lashes are completely dry. If they feel hard and brittle, girl, you did the right steps. You're ready to go. We are ready to unbox our Epic lashes. So I'm gonna take these out of the box. And what I'm gonna be doing is placing these at a downward angle, starting on the inside of my eye to the outer corner. If you feel like the placement's wrong, don't worry, this isn't like glue. You can replace a handful of times without getting any issues. You can also pull your eye out to help with the placement as well. And by the way, it feels really weird, just to warn you, when you feel the magnetic clicking into place, but it's really cool.
Perfect.
Ah! I did it. Oh. It's a little too far in the inner corner. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix that. Next, we're gonna go ahead and sandwich with our fingers to get these to really stick. And there you have it. Quick hack for you, if you need to reposition them a few times, just take a very close look at the magnets themselves and use your fingernail to scrape off any residue that might have gotten on there. If anything is covering the magnet, you will not be able to adhere these well. You'll notice because you'll be placing the magnet, but you won't feel that strong magnetic pull. Someone needs to go back to science class. Okay, let's do the right eye. Voila! You guys, I am so proud of myself. Yesterday when I did my test run, it was not this flawless. So, word of advice, definitely practice. Don't expect to buy these and wear them to a special work presentation or a first date without having a trial run. What do you guys think? Okay, let's get to my review. So I think that the price is really good. I understand it's around $80 for the combo of the lashes with the magnetic mascara. Compare that to getting eyelash extensions and being able to wear these 20 different times. I think they definitely win on price. They feel pretty comfortable. I mean, I can sort of see the lashes, but I think that's gonna be with any false lash. They don't feel heavy. They're not pinching in any sort of way. They're pretty comfortable, and I'm excited to see how they do outside. I do like how natural they look. I mean, let's be real, not the length, friends, but the color and the actual band. We don't see any glue. We don't see a thick string. I like that you can take these off and reapply multiple times because it is a little tricky to get the placement right, especially if it's your first time. So at least you know you won't ruin the lash the way you might with glue if you had to place and replace and might even have to toss your lash. With these magnetic lashes, that won't be the case. As far as cons, I would say these definitely take practice. They are not as easy as they may look at first glance, so definitely plan around having a practice day or practice hour scheduled before you actually put these on for an important event. I would imagine the more you use them, the easier it becomes and you kind of get the flow and groove of how to use these best. Second, I do think that it's possible on a windy day that these could be a little bit problematic. I live by the ocean. I can imagine if it's a really windy day, maybe losing an eyelash. What their solution to that is they do sell what they call anchors, which are single little magnet with a few lashes on it that you would stick underneath to really sandwich these lashes. I think if you plan to be anywhere windy or, I don't know, be in a convertible or something, definitely are gonna need an anchor there. But most importantly, what do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you like this look and you think that you would try these lashes, or give me a thumbs down if you're like, no girl, those are not for you. I would love to know either way. Have you tried magnetic lashes? I'm really curious how the liner version of these works, if it's any easier or harder. Let me know in the comments down below. Again, if you like these lashes and you want to give them a try, I'll put my friend Amy's link to her Tori Belle shop down below so that you can check them out. If you like makeup review videos, check out my Ipsy makeup subscription review and try on haul. I will link it here here for you guys. And if you're new, don't forget to join my community and subscribe. I would love to get to know you better, and I can't wait to share my future reviews with you. See you next time.